Hello and welcome back to my channel eMaths, and today I am back with my topic Algebraic Identities, and this is going to be part 2 of it because in my previous video of Algebraic Identities I just introduced the identities to you and told you about the 4 basic identities which we mostly use. So now in my coming videos I am going to take one by one identity and show you how we can place values and how can we solve the questions based on the identities. So the identity that I have taken today is x plus a x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b in the bracket x plus ab. So basically this identity is used when your first term of the brackets are same and the other two terms are different. That means the first term here is x, if they are same, but the second term of both the brackets are different. So in that case what do we do is, like for example, I'll take a question y plus 2, y plus 3. So basically you'll get such type of question when you have to solve using an identity, although these can be solved by using that multiplying binomials, but here your question will be using expansion solve this. So in that case you have only one thing that you need to use the identity, because the teacher has not left any option for you to multiply the binomials. So in that case, if the question is in this form, y plus 2, y plus 3, if you see the first term of the bracket is same and the other terms of both the brackets are different, so just match it. Yes, we have our first value x equals to y because it is same in both the brackets. We have plus plus sign in both the brackets, so there is no change in sign. A is 2 and b is 3. So when your question is based on the LHS of the identity, your answer should be in the form of RHS. So here wherever you have x, put y, wherever you have a, put 2, and wherever you have b, you put 3. So in that case you will have y square plus, open the bracket and put the value of a and b, which is 2 plus 3, put a y plus 2 into 3, because AB means a multiplied by b. If you won't put this multiplication sign, it will become 23, which will be absolutely wrong. Now you can simply solve. Open up the bracket, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5y, plus 2 3s are 6. So that's the answer when you have the question in this form. Now what I have done is I have taken the question x minus 1 by 2, x plus 3 by 2. But I have kept my identity same. I am not going to change my identity. But what am I going to do is, when I will be writing down the values of x, a and b, I will look for the sign also if it is different. So basically you don't have to memorize all the identities with different signs, because we have other identities as well, like x minus a, x minus b, or it can be x plus a, x minus b, or you can have x minus a, means any of them can be a negative one. Like here in the question I have taken the first bracket negative and the second one is having a positive b. Now what I am going to do is I am going to match x remains x, so just write it down so that there is no confusion. Here a is minus 1 by 2. Since I have not changed the identity, I am using the plus 1 only, so I have to take the value of a as negative because it is in the question. Then b is 3 upon 2. As I told you, our answer is going to be in the form of RHS. So we'll put the value over there. X square remains the same, plus in the bracket you will have minus 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2 x plus, then multiply minus 1 upon 2 into 3 upon 2. So here we have x square. Now over here, for now the denominators are same, so we don't have to actually look for the LCM and all. We can simply solve the numerator and give our answer. But in case if you have different denominators, make sure you are taking the LCM and you are making them like terms, and then only you can solve them. So here you will be left with 3 minus 1 is 2. Will have a positive 2 here because 3 is greater than 1 and 3 is having a plus sign. X, here when you will solve, you will get minus 3 upon 4. Now this 2 and this 2 can get cancelled because both the numerators and denominators are same. So we have the answer as x square plus x plus minus becomes minus 3 by 4. So that's the answer for this question. I hope you have understood how to use this identity, how to put up the values and then get our answer. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Do share my videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day.